Crisis averted for now, but if the government shuts down in the future, there's a chance you might have to wait a little longer to receive your tax refund check. National correspondent Janae Bowens has more details on what a shutdown could mean for the upcoming tax season.
Texas tax advisor John Karp is watching and waiting, and his clients' concerns about a shutdown are real.
The one thing they just are so worried about getting is that love letter from the IRS that says, hey, we want something from you, or hey, you owe us money.
A shutdown could mean Karp is unable to help his clients with their IRS questions.
They're going to say, well, what do you mean you can't help me? And we're going to have to point to them that, look, the government shut. There's no one for me to call.
IRS Commissioner Daniel Werfel explained to leaders on Capitol Hill just a few weeks ago how tough things would be during a shutdown.
It is very disruptive to our operations.
And just days ago, he told reporters the agency can preserve certain operations after a lapse in funding. But, quote, we have not experienced a shutdown in the middle of a filing season, so there's some uncertainty there. Now, during the shutdown from 2018 to 2019, the IRS limited services, appointments were canceled, calls missed, and the list goes on. And according to the Committee for a Responsible Budget, at least 26,000 furloughed IRS employees were recalled to work during that shutdown to prepare for tax season. But 14,000 did not show up to work without pay.
Because nobody wants to go to work for nothing. So clearly that's going to delay in the process of any tax return.
And then a possible delay and you getting your tax refund, too.
You can't really do anything about it. I mean, if it's shut down, it's shut down, right?
Experts suggest you file your taxes as early as possible, and they want you to do it electronically. The IRS will officially start accepting and processing tax returns on January 29th. Now, if a shutdown were to happen and delay IRS operations, when things get back to normal, you'll be first in line. In Washington, Janae Bowens.